Hello, welcome to my Chinese class. Today we are going to learn how to do math in Chinese. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm not. No, I'm kidding. Well, since we have learned numbers on both class 3, 出生年月日, birthday, and on last class, class 10, 这个多少钱? How much is this? How much does this take? So I think it would be better if we take some time to review and practice more on the numbers. After all, it's a very tricky thing when starting to learn a new language. But once you get used to it, it'll be very helpful as well. And besides, we only have 2 new words and 1 new structure of sentence today, and they are all very simple. So you can also consider today's class as a relaxing class. Now let's get to vocabularies first. You can read after me now. 加等于多少几 First word 加 plus. There's nothing much about this word. We're gonna see how to use it in sentences later. And next word 等于equal to, and this word is made of 2 characters, 等 and 于. So character 等 has 3 common meanings. The first one is a noun, meaning class, grade. For example, in the word 等级. And the second meaning is being used as a verb, meaning wait. For example, 等待. And the third meaning is being used as a verb, meaning equal, as in this word, equal to, 等于. And character 于 is usually a preposition and can mean to, by, or for, depending on being used in which word. Next 2 words, 多少几 and we've already learned these 2 words on class 3, so let's read for a review. 他多少岁了? 他23岁了? 他几岁了? 他5岁了? So as we shared before, the difference between 多少 and 几 is that 多少 usually refers to number above 10, while 几 refers to number below 10, and that's why you use 多少岁了 to ask age of adults, while you use 几岁了 to ask age of kids or pets. And let's see one more sentence from class 10. 这个要多少钱? Loose translation. This one cost how much money? And that is, how much does this take? How much is this? And the next page is all about words for numbers, which we already learned on our last class. So if you want to see more detailed explanation, you can watch this video. And now let's just read for review. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 百 千 万 Now let's move to the sentence of today. You can read after me now. 一加一等于几? 一加一等于几? 一加一等于2. 一加一等于2. So the structure of this sentence is 数字 number 加 plus 数字 number 等于 equal to 几 how many the question word. So together it's 数字加数字等于几 and that means what does one number plus another number equal? And as for the answer, actually it's in the same structure. You just use the final number, the result, to replace the question word 几 how many. So it's 数字加数字等于数字. One number plus another number equals the final number. Or we can just shorten it to 等于数字 equals what number? Or we can just give out the final result, 数字 number. So for example, what does 3 plus 2 equal? 3加2等于几 ?3加2等于几 ?5, 5. So let's read the example conversation again. 1加1等于几 ?1加1等于几 ?1加1等于2 1加1等于2 Now let's move to the next conversation. You can read after me now. 8加15等于多少 ?8加15等于多少等于23等于23 So the structure of this sentence is basically the same with the last one. We just used 多少 to replace 几 as the question word. And as we just reviewed, 几 refers to number below 10, while 多少 refers to number above 10. So if you want to raise this math question, make sure you use the more proper question word. Specifically, if either of the number in your question is above 10, you use 多少. And if both of them are below 10, you use 几. So let's read the example conversation again. 8加15等于多少 ?8加15等于多少等于23等于23 And that's all new contents of today. Quite simple, right? So just to make a brief summary, the only sentence we learned today is 数字 number 加 plus 数字 number 等于 equal to 多少 or 几 how many. And together it's 数字加数字等于多少 What does one number plus another number equal? And the answer is in the same structure. 数字加数字等于数字 One number plus another number equals to the final number. Or you can just shorten it to 等于数字 equals the final number. Or 数字 the number. So until this class, we have learned 61 out of 100 most common Chinese characters. And as for homework, well, since the grammar of today is relatively simple, I thought maybe I can give out some challenging math problems for you to do. So you can read these sentences and give out the answer in Chinese to practice more on the numbers. So look forward to seeing your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching today and see you next time.